I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional formatting in Excel for color. This powerful feature automatically applies different colors to cells based on their content, making your data much easier to understand at a glance. It helps you quickly spot trends, outliers, and key information without manually sifting through numbers. You can apply these rules to a single cell, a column, or even an entire spreadsheet, providing immense flexibility for data analysis. One of the simplest ways to use conditional formatting is through color scales. These scales apply a gradient of 2 or 3 colors across a range of cells, where the color intensity reflects the cell's value. For example, you might see a spectrum from deep red for low values, through yellow for mid-range, to bright green for high values. This instantly highlights performance or concentration across your dataset, making comparisons straightforward. Beyond simple color fills, Excel offers icon sets and data bars to enhance your data visualization. Icon sets place small graphical icons, such as 3 arrows or 5 rating stars, directly into cells based on their values. Data bars, on the other hand, draw a horizontal bar within each cell, with the length of the bar corresponding to the cell's value. Both methods offer a quick, intuitive way to interpret data without needing to read every number. To maintain control over your conditional formatting, use the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. This central hub allows you to view, edit, delete, or reorder all the rules applied to your worksheet. You can easily adjust criteria, change colors, or even create entirely new rules using custom formulas for highly specific formatting requirements. This ensures your data always presents itself exactly as you intend, adapting to your analytical needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.